Hey everybody. I'm just looking at my background and showing you the real life, how real people live, messy and not worrying about it. I hate those fake backgrounds that people use with the beds. It's always in the bedroom. Why are you always in the bedroom? Is that like a subliminal? Anyway, okay, stop. I'm being mean. Hey everybody. Hi, it's Mouthy Fox. Now you know why they call me Mouthy. Okay, I'm doing a Dossier review. Okay, now Dossier is a perfume company that essentially sells mock-up, fancy schmancy, expensive shampoos at a quarter of the price. Okay, actually sometimes less than that. So the lowest price I think I found on the website I think was like $29. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. This one was $32, and I think I got like 10% off for my first ever thing. It came in today. You know I'm a terrible liar. You know that. I suck at lying. I'm not going to lie to you. I opened it and I tried it out. I did. I sprayed it on my wrist. And this was exactly, what time is it? 7:30? It was exactly an hour ago. This one is Woody Oakmoss. Now it was between this one and Woody Sandalwood. And I couldn't tell which one would be closest to Inner Realm, which is what I want. Now, if you know of a perfume that smells exactly like it, now the closest I ever got was Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. It smells very close to Inner Realm. Only problem is it doesn't last on me at all. I have very oily skin, so my skin sucks everything up. It just does. That's what it does. So when I have a smell, I usually like to use, if I want a nice smell, I'll use like men's cologne, the flowery, girly smells. I don't like that. No flowers for me. And this one had rose in it as one of the ingredients. So I was kind of turned off. As soon as I saw rose, I don't like that smell. So you open the box and it has this. Okay. There you go. And then it has a little card with the picture of a, okay. And then it has the Woody Oakmoss, and then it tells you, I don't know if you can read it, but it tells you the, the notes, what it smells like. Okay. And it's got bergamot in it. Anything that has bergamot and vetiver together for me that's what I want. Okay. Bergamot is my #1 smell. But then it has orange and peach, which is okay, orange, but peach, I don't know. The middle notes are jasmine, rose, and patchouli. Okay, I don't like rose, and patchouli is very 80s for me. I don't wear it anymore, but I would understand why they put it in here because it makes it last longer. Although the concentration is only 16%, so I'm thinking that it's probably not that good. And then the base note is oak moss, vetiver, and vanilla. Another one. See, those really sweet scents I don't like. So I did put a tiny little bit on my wrist an hour ago. I can still smell it, of course. But it is so faint. I mean, do I have to put like that much on for it to smell? With the Inner Realm, I used to have this tiny little spritzer that it came with, I remember. And it was tiny. I still have it actually somewhere. And I would just put one here, a little bit over here on my wrist. That would last me the entire day, like till the next day if I didn't shower. Like I would go into my car and I would still smell it in my car for days. Unbelievable. This is a magnet, which is so cool because if you ever need something extra, you have an extra magnet. So here's the bottle. I'm trying to get it right. Woody Oakmoss. Okay. Nice bottle. I love the bottle. It's really nice. Where's it made? New York, New York. 4 World Trade Center. Okay. By a company called 18 Cents. SCENTS. good marketing? Is this patent pending? I'm not sure, but I can smell it, but I'll be honest, it's so faint. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a chance, even though I can almost rest assured that I will not be keeping this. I don't like sweet perfumes. It's just so disappointing. I was hoping it was going to be so strong. If you want to do something, it's supposed to be a mock-up of Coco Chanel's Mademoiselle. Now, I don't know what Coco Chanel Mademoiselle is. They didn't have a mock-up for Inner Realm, so I had to go with the ingredients of what it's closest to. And I know for a fact that Inner Realm has Bergamot and Vetiver in it. And they also have, it also had Oakmoss in it. But that's it. Everything else didn't have. Like, it didn't have vanilla, didn't have patchouli, didn't have rose. It had, in fact, Inner Realm had sandalwood, it had cedar wood, it had peony, it had lily. What else did it have? It had something else, like, not oranges. It had sage. It had citrus, which is probably lemon. It had something else in it that was... I can't remember, but if you look it up, you'll find it, and that's the only thing. And it also, oh, and it was also human pheromones was in there too. That might make a difference. I mean, I don't know. It might make a difference. I don't know what human pheromones smell like. I mean, I guess it depends on who the human is, right? Am I right? Or is it just like basic? You can't just say it's human pheromones, because who's the human that they're using? Because if you use my pheromones, I guarantee you it's gonna last forever till you die, because my scent is like forever. But it's just that's potent. It's potent. It's a potent smell. I try to shower frequently. Okay, so I was like fighting with my eyeball. Do me a favor and smash that like button before you leave. Do not forget, please. And also, thank you to the new subscribers. Welcome to the Foxy Den. I am so glad to have you guys here. You're going to be so happy in a few months. I'm getting some merchandise together. I've already got some pieces, and I'm going to be, they're brand new things. It's not something I made or anything. Just brand new merchandise that I'm going to start giving away to subscribers and people on my Patreon page who, you know, if you help me, I help you. It's that Italian thing that we do. Okay. Well, I'm just saying. I mean, you do me a favor, I got to do you a favor. You know how it is. And if you accept my gifts, then hey. No, you know what I mean. Why? I go always entertainment here, guys. Always entertainment. So glad that you're here. I love it. So I'm doing so much for you. You just don't know what I'm doing. I'm like that girl behind the scenes that works a lot for you and you don't even know what's happening, but your life is better and you're trying to figure out why. And you're like, why is my life better? Why am I so happy all of a sudden? I don't know. Really? You don't? Well, maybe it's me. I'm just saying. All right, so so dopey. All right, so that's all I have to say. Thank you for stopping in again. Subscribe, like, and share, and comment. I am, yes, wanting to mess with the algorithm, but I also want to say, do let me know if you've ever tried Dossier, this company. What kind of smells? What kind of scents did you buy? What did you think about them? I'm curious. And also, because you know they're going to listen to this. I told them that I was going to review their product, so they will be looking over here. So you might want to say something. 17 minutes. I love you. God bless you. And what do we say? We say, please don't forget to like and share and comment. And if you want to keep seeing more stuff, then give me a little, and I'll give it right back to you. I'm good at that. Okay. Talk to you soon. And for Mouthy Fox, join the Foxin revolution. I need for you guys to be in the Foxy Den. You need to be Foxies. You have no idea what's coming. Talk to you soon. What do we say? We say ciao. And what do Foxies say? Wow. No, we could do better than that. Wow.